Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see from the title below, today I want to mix up my style a little bit. I have really gotten into such a rut when it comes to my hair. All I do is leave it loose like this, or I'll put it up in a ponytail, but that's where the creativity ends. So in this video, I'm going to be trying some quick and easy heatless hairstyles for short to medium-ish hair. And I'm going to see if they suit me, and yeah, you can try them out for yourself. Let me know which one's your favorite.
Start by parting your hair on whichever side you prefer. Then continue that path down the length of your hair. Section off a small part. French braid your hair from the root to about your ear. If you're not too sure how to French braid, all you do is you do a normal braid, and as you go in along, you pick up pieces of hair and add it to the braid. When you get to this part by your ear, stop picking up other pieces of hair, but continue with your braid all the way down. Now pull the French braid apart a little bit, just to get it a little bit more messy and to give it more volume. Take the French braid, twist it behind your head and secure it in place. Make a center path, section off the hair to either side, and then make cute low pigtails. Any stray hairs to finish off the look. Section off a small piece of your hair in front and begin to French braid all the way down. Repeat the same pattern on the other side. and pin them securely to the back of your head. Use your thumbs to section off the top part of your hair. Pull it back and tie up. Now that your hair is still half up, half down, take the hair that is tied up and twist it around to make a top bun. Tie your hair into a low ponytail. Then slowly lower the hair tie down. Make a gap just above the hair tie with your fingers. If you're anything like me, you have a random piece of hair that did not make the cut. But anyway, flip the pieces that are in the ponytail up and over through the hole that you have made with your hands. Push the hair tie up to secure everything in place. Make a middle path. Brush the sections to either side and then make 2 fun space buns. this one, grab some cute tropical flower hair clips and pin your hair out of your face. You can never go wrong with a cute headband. Take your hair and pin it back into a bun. Make a middle path. Section off a small piece of hair and tie up into a mini ponytail. Repeat the same thing on the other side.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and gotten some really great ideas from it. Let me know down below in the comments which hairstyle was your favorite. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks, bye!